Click on the link below to get price. The marine molded case circuit breaker ZAS100-NF 3P50A is designed for use in marine environments, where reliable electrical protection is paramount. In this review, we will explore the key features of this circuit breaker, its intended applications, and considerations for usage. To begin with, the ZAS100-NF is a 3-pole circuit breaker rated for 50 amps, making it suitable for a variety of electrical systems on boats and marine applications. Its molded case design is engineered to provide robust protection against overloads and short circuits, which can be particularly critical in the dynamic and potentially hazardous conditions found at sea. One of the standout features of the ZAS100-NF is its durability. Built to withstand the rigors of a marine environment, it is constructed with materials that resist corrosion, ensuring that it remains functional even in the presence of salt water or moisture. This characteristic is essential for maintaining electrical safety and reliability on boats, where environmental factors can easily compromise equipment. The circuit breaker also includes an adjustable trip setting. This allows users to tailor the sensitivity of the device according to their specific needs, providing flexibility to accommodate various electrical loads. Furthermore, the reset mechanism is designed for ease of use. After a trip event, users can quickly reset the breaker without needing specialized tools, which can be particularly advantageous in emergency situations. In terms of installation, the ZAS100-NF is designed for straightforward mounting in standard circuit breaker panels. It is important to ensure that all electrical connections comply with local codes and standards to maintain safety during installation. The breaker's compact design helps save space on the panel, which can be beneficial when working with limited room on a boat. In conclusion, the marine molded case circuit breaker ZAS100-NF 3P50A is a solid choice for marine applications that require dependable electrical management and protection. With its durable construction, adjustable trip settings, and user-friendly reset capability, it addresses common challenges faced in marine electrical systems. For those looking to enhance the safety and reliability of their boat's electrical setup, this circuit breaker may provide the necessary performance and resilience to meet their needs.